Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll be teaching you how to back up your WhatsApp messages and images to your Gmail account and retrieve them whenever you lost your phone. All right, so let us start. So the steps you have to take is you come to your WhatsApp. Okay, so click on your WhatsApp. Now this is my WhatsApp icon here, so I click on my WhatsApp. Okay, so what you need to do is, once you get your WhatsApp, what you need to do is, can you see this three dots up here? You click on these three dots up here. All right, then you come to what? Then you come to settings. Okay, so you click on your settings. Okay, when you come to your settings environment, so you can click on chat. Can you see chat here? So click on your chat. Okay, when you get to this environment, so what you need to do is you come to chat backup. Can you see chat backup? So you click on what? Chat backup. All right, so at this point, please have it in mind that you must have a Gmail account. Okay, you must know your username and your password. Very important. Okay, because most times if I ask people if they have a Gmail account, they will say yes, but they have forgotten the password. I don't know why you have to forget your password. You don't have to forget your password. Take your Gmail account, your username and your password seriously. It is very important. Okay, so now to help you back up your WhatsApp messages, what you have to do is you click on this Google account. Click on it. Okay, so it's saying wait for the current backup to finish before changing account. Okay, so my backup is backing up. Okay, let me cancel it. Cancel. Okay, now Google account. So I click on my Google account. Okay, now at this point, as you can see, this is my two Gmail accounts, Igweto at gmail.com and also offermost1 at gmail.com. Now on your own part, okay, what you only see is this add account on your own part. Okay, so you now click on what? Add account. Can you see? It's checking information. Can you see? It's checking info. So you wait for it to come up. So at this point, what you need to put now is your email. Then when you put your email, then it will not prompt you to also put your password, as in your Gmail username and your password. So your username should be your email, okay, or even your phone number if you wish, but I prefer using your email. It's okay to go faster. Okay, so after doing that, once you get this part complete, then they will now accept you. So that's how I got this my Igweto at gmail.com, this part. So now what you need to do quickly is you come to this automatic backup. Okay, so you click on what? Click on automatic backup. All right, so like if you are a heavy user of WhatsApp, please, I would recommend you choose what? Daily, like this. Can you see? Daily. Okay, but for me, on my own part, I am not a heavy user of WhatsApp. I come to WhatsApp like 3 to 4 times a week, but not every day. So that's why I choose what? I choose weekly. Can you see it? So please make sure, now come to this part, this backup using cellular. Make sure it is on and not off like this. Make sure it is what? It is on. So if this backup using cellular is on, then you are good to go. Then if you are the type that normally have enough gigabytes, maybe up to 20 to 30 gigabytes, that's when you can include videos. Like for me, I did not include videos. Okay, my videos is off. Can you see this part? My videos is off. All right, so that is how you do that. So once you get this part completely, you can go and sleep. Yes, because whenever you chat, your messages and your images will be backed up for you. So even if you lost your phone and get a new phone, once you install WhatsApp, they will not prompt you to, in fact, they will tell you, you have, a backup. That's, do you want to, store your backup? So you now click on yes and you continue and follow up the process. So that is how you do that. Thank you guys for watching my video. God bless you. Goodbye for now.